Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you all about the USA. The USA is a big and beautiful country with many amazing places, people and cultures. You will learn about its history, famous places, food and more. Stay with me until the end to learn many interesting things. Let's begin. The United States of America, USA, is a land of dreams, diversity and innovation. Located in North America, it consists of 50 states, each with its own unique identity. The country is bordered by Canada to the north and Mexico to the south, with vast oceans on both sides, the Atlantic Ocean to the east and the Pacific Ocean to the west. The capital city is Washington, D.C., known for its historical monuments and government buildings, while the largest city is New York City, a global hub of finance, culture, and entertainment. The USA is home to over 331 million people, making it the third most populous country in the world. English is the dominant language, but Spanish is widely spoken, especially in states like California, Texas, and Florida. The country operates in 6 different time zones, making it one of the most geographically expansive nations. The geography of the USA is incredibly diverse, featuring everything from the towering Rocky Mountains to the vast Great Plains and sunny beaches of California and Florida. The Grand Canyon in Arizona, one of the 7 natural wonders of the world, attracts millions of visitors each year with its breathtaking views. The country also has extreme landscapes, from the icy tundras of Alaska to the scorching deserts of Nevada and Arizona. Hawaii, a tropical paradise in the Pacific, offers stunning beaches, volcanoes, and unique marine life. The USA also has the Great Lakes, the largest group of freshwater lakes in the world, which provides stunning scenery and recreational activities. Yellowstone National Park, the first national park in the world, is home to geysers, hot springs, and wildlife such as bears and bison. The history of the USA is filled with fascinating stories of struggle, determination, and success. It all began when European explorers arrived in the late 1400s, followed by British colonization. In 1776, the country declared independence from Britain, leading to the Revolutionary War. The USA's founding fathers, including George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, and Benjamin Franklin, shaped the country's democracy. The Civil War, fought between the North and the South from 1861 to 1865, ended slavery and strengthened the unity of the nation. The 20th century saw the USA rise as a global superpower, participating in both world wars and playing a crucial role in technological advancements. The country made history in 1969 when NASA's Apollo 11 mission successfully landed the first humans on the moon, with astronaut Neil Armstrong famously saying, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." The government of the USA follows a federal democratic system, ensuring freedom and rights for its citizens. The country has 3 branches of government: the executive, headed by the president, the legislative, Congress, and the judicial, Supreme Court. The president is one of the most influential leaders in the world, making decisions that impact not only the USA, but also the entire globe. The country follows a 2-party political system, dominated by the Democratic and Republican parties. Each state has its own laws and policies, which means that life in California can be very different from life in Texas or New York. The USA's economy is the largest and most powerful in the world, driven by industries such as technology, finance, entertainment, and manufacturing. Silicon Valley in California is the world's tech hub, home to companies like Apple, Google, and Facebook. Wall Street in New York City is the center of global finance, while Hollywood is the entertainment capital, producing blockbuster movies and TV shows that are watched worldwide. The country is also famous for its fast food industry, with brands like McDonald's, KFC, and Burger King becoming international favorites. However, American cuisine goes far beyond fast food, featuring regional specialties such as New England clam chowder, Southern barbecue, Tex-Mex tacos, and Chicago deep dish pizza. American culture is known for its influence on the world. Music genres like jazz, rock and roll, hip-hop, and country music all originated in the USA. The entertainment industry, especially Hollywood, creates some of the biggest global trends. The USA has also shaped the sports world, with the Super Bowl being one of the most watched events every year. Basketball, football, and baseball are the most popular sports, with legends like Michael Jordan, Tom Brady, and Babe Ruth becoming household names. The country also hosts the Olympic Games, frequently showcasing its athletic talent to the world. The USA is home to some of the most famous landmarks in the world. The Statue of Liberty, a gift from France, stands as a symbol of freedom in New York Harbor. Mount Rushmore in South Dakota features the faces of 4 iconic presidents carved into a mountain. The Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco is an engineering marvel, attracting millions of visitors. Times Square in New York is famous for its bright lights and the New Year's Eve ball drop. The White House, where the president lives and works, is one of the most recognized buildings globally. The Las Vegas Strip is a dazzling wonderland of casinos and entertainment, drawing tourists from all over the world. Transportation in the USA is well developed, with millions of people traveling daily by car, plane, train, and bus. The country has a vast highway system, including the famous Route 66, which stretches from Chicago to Los Angeles, offering a nostalgic road trip experience. Major airports like JFK in New York and LAX in Los Angeles connect the USA to every corner of the world. Public transportation is well developed in cities like New York, where the subway operates 24/7. Ride-sharing apps like Uber and Lyft have transformed urban travel, making it easier to get around. American festivals and holidays are celebrated with great enthusiasm. The 4th of July, or Independence Day, is marked with fireworks, parades, and barbecues across the country. Thanksgiving, celebrated in November, is a time for family gatherings and feasting on turkey and pumpkin pie. Halloween, on October 31st, is famous for costumes, haunted houses, and trick-or-treating. Christmas and New Year's Eve bring festive decorations, music, and celebrations. The USA also hosts unique events like the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade and the Super Bowl halftime show, which attract millions of viewers. The USA has always been a leader in innovation and exploration. It was the first country to send a man to the moon, and NASA is now working on missions to Mars. The country is home to some of the best universities, including Harvard, MIT, and Stanford, which attract students from all over the world. The USA is also at the forefront of medical advancements, space technology, and artificial intelligence. American entrepreneurs like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos are shaping the future with innovations in space travel, electric vehicles, and e-commerce. In conclusion, the USA is a land of opportunities, adventure, and influence. Whether it's the bright lights of New York City, the sunny beaches of California, the tech innovations of Silicon Valley, or the deep history of Washington, D.C., the country offers something for everyone. The USA's rich culture, stunning landscapes, and dynamic lifestyle make it one of the most fascinating places in the world. From Hollywood movies to NASA space missions, from jazz music to championship sports, the USA continues to shape and inspire the modern world. That's all for today. The USA is a country full of exciting places, rich history, and different cultures. From the Statue of Liberty to Hollywood, there is so much to see and learn. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.